Today is March 21st. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery Company. We're going to do a video of our Kaast press brake. This is a manufacturer that makes this version of press brakes kind of like a hybrid of a H-frame press. This is a 100-ton capacity machine with a 5-foot bed. It is a year 2022 machine. Was owned by a local manufacturer, not used very much, and then they were forced to move, and so this was a piece they just couldn't take with them. As you can see, the unit has seen relatively little use. It has a multi-station lower die. I did not get the upper die piece, unfortunately, but that can be purchased. Anybody who sells tooling, really. There's multiple V dies in that block. It's a manual style back gauge, very simple design, hand crank in the back. And we'll turn it on and make it go up, and these are the, there's adjustments there on the side, and we'll do a quick demo here. Operator control. That's the basic function. Clearly these ones aren't built for speed, but all the same, a nice machine. So if there are any questions, feel free to reach us through the website, hildebrandmachinery.com. We can be reached at 717-846-2602 and be happy to answer any questions.